it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it, and hit that bell because I do have a ton of videos a week. I buy a lot of products, a lot of reviews, nail sets, and whatever else. So right here, I'm going to insert a picture of all the products I have waiting to show you guys. Kind of have a little stockpile going on. But today we are going to focus on this $9.88 Polygel kit that I found. So yeah, I just want to say happy holidays to everybody, and let's just get into the video. So this kit is actually supposed to be 30 milliliters of the Polygel. And at first, I thought that they sent me 2 kits by mistake. But it seems like what happened was they only had 15 milliliters left. They sent me 2 full sets of everything instead of just doubling up the Polygel. So, I mean, that's cool with me, but I was just a little confused in the beginning. So, yeah, I'm just going to focus on one of them. Here's the little Polygels. They give you 3 brushes. There's no numbers, but I believe they're all the same. They have little pretty purple tips. I like that. Bristles. You get a cuticle pusher. Pretty standard. You get a nail file. Feels pretty good. Probably 100, 180. You get this dust brush, which I like. It matches those brushes. And they do give you 45 milliliters of the slip solution. You also get a damping dish. And they also include the dual form. This is all new to me. I know I probably seem like a Martian to you guys that I never used Polygel, but I haven't. So today you're going to see me try it out for the very first time. Now, for some reason, I don't know why, I'm not in the mood to tackle these dual forms. I'm just going to do it the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method. Whoa. But just to show you what the dual forms look like, they do have not a horrible curve, but there's a curve. Yeah, that's the curve, and I'm not into that. So it comes with 3 colors, and don't forget they're supposed to be 30 milliliter bottles, only for less than $10, which is pretty sick. Open and see what they're all about. They're pretty basic colors. In this kit, it's nothing fancy. So this one is the clear 8, which is a white. And here's the pink. It's a pretty color. I sized out my nails. I'm going with some squares today. I'm gonna have to finish shaping them. I cut the bottoms with the scissor because these are really long, but I don't want to do them that long because this is my first time using Polygel. So as you can see here, I'm going to use these bright metal pieces. And then I was looking through my stuff, and I do have glitter that matches every color. The blue is not a perfect match, but it'll do. So you want to put base coat on the inside. And I'm not etching the inside because I just want these to last for a few days. Love these glitters. So bright. So I'm going to do glitter up by the nail bed. I kind of want to like line it up at the end as a tip. But I'm going to do it slightly above because, like I said, I didn't file the tip smooth, well straight. Okay, I'm gonna flash cure that. Now, like I said, this is my first time doing this, so don't be too hard on me. So I know it's like, you know, pulling. And I believe you don't want too much near the cuticle, but you want the bulk of it near the apex. You just got to make sure you get up those side walls and encapsulate those metal pieces and stick this on. And you want to clean up any spillage. Okay, and then I know I'm going to smooth out the underneath. Ugh, I hate the way it looks not having nails on. My hands look so ugly. Okay, add that base coat. Pick up that glitter. So I want to try to get the like a little glitter, make it do like, you know, a little fade. Give that a cure once you're happy. So I never used Polygel before, so I'm not sure if this seems sticky or if this seems like good quality. So I guess you guys who have used it will have to be the judge of that as you see me working with it, because I can't really help in that aspect. But I can show you what it looks like and let you know that it was really cheap. That looks cute. Kind of want to do something a little different with the middle finger, you know, just to have some difference. So I'm going to keep with the glitter at the top, like I've been doing. So I want to try to make like a flower out of these if I can. Okay, so let's see if I can do what I'm thinking here. So I just want to bring all these points together. So that flower came out like a little weird looking, but hopefully if I put a gem in the middle, we can save it. Look at that, that's so pretty. Love these glitters. Go Shein, right? Okay, so you want to get the sticky layer off the underside of these nails. Also just gonna clean the top in case I touched it. And for the Polygel that spilled out the sides. So as you can see, this is the pink. You can still see the bright pink right there. And this is the purple, but the purple turned pink. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna go in with this bit and I'm gonna clean up the cuticle areas. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a hand file to crisp up these edges. Now I'm just gonna buff over all the nails because you do need a rough surface for a top coat. Clean these nails up. Oops. Don't forget to do the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add a layer of top coat to the whole nail. And also to the underneath. I'm gonna add a little pollen in the center here to try and save this. I don't love that. So, what better thing to do than to just add more glitter. And to encapsulate that quickly, I will do the rubber top gel. So if you don't know, rubber top coat is designed for stuff like this, for encapsulating. So if you ever have something you want to fix and you don't want to encapsulate with more gel again, then this is some really good stuff to have on hand because it can make it match the other nails. Actually, I'm going to make this nail pink, being that the gems turn to pink. Okay, so here's how these nails turned out. I'm not the happiest with them, but for my first time using this product, I guess it's okay. Now, some of these nails came out foggy. Now, I'm not sure if that is the formula of the product or if I used too much slip solution, if I moved it around too much. So yeah, I'm not sure about that, but the blue came out pretty clear. This is my favorite nail. So yeah, this is my springtime polygel set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a learning process for me and it wasn't too bad, but I don't know. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.